Hi, my name's Rod Henderson and I'm the CEO of Ampcontrol. We support Renewable Energy Industrial Precinct here in the Hunter. The Hunter has always been at the forefront of energy generation on the east coast of Australia, and as we transition to a emissions-free economy over the next several years, I think it's very exciting as a Hunter Valley resident to know that we'll continue to be at the forefront of energy generation. Ampcontrol is a Hunter-based company that's been established for 53 years. We employ some 600 people here in the Hunter Valley, and we're a technology and services-based business doing lots of innovation in the electrical space. We work very closely with educational institutes, particularly the University of Newcastle, and we're doing a lot of products in and around solar hybrid power solutions and solar hybrid water solutions, as well as starting to move a lot more into electric vehicles, both on the water and for underground mining. Ampcontrol pivoted very quickly last year when we were called upon by the New South Wales Government to develop an invasive ventilator. We turned that ventilator around in a matter of weeks to a working prototype and delivered 10 units prior to Christmas that were fully TGA approved. It just shows what the ingenuity and innovative skills are of people here in Australia, particularly here in the Hunter. Ampcontrol support a renewable energy industrial precinct here in the Hunter because we're already working extensively in the renewable energy sector.